You've heard of electric cars? But what if your car could charge itself straight from the sun? Meet the Lightyear Zero, the world's first solar-powered sports car. This thing literally gains up to 40 miles of range a day just by parking outside. No plug, no fuel, just sunlight. It's sleek, futuristic, and built with solar panels all across its body, like something out of a sci-fi movie. And get this, it's not a prototype, it's real, already on roads. Price tag? Around $250,000, yeah. Clean energy isn't cheap yet. But one thing's clear, the future of supercars won't just be electric. It'll be solar powered.